Adventures of Super Dog. And guys,
Super Dog, can you help me out?
and this is part 2. Yes.
Super Dog. Are you on it?
Yes. I will do anything for you.
Thank you so much, Super Dog. Get them back.
Super Dog is on the rescue.
Hey, Super Dog, you're not supposed to lay down on the job. You're supposed to go get my family.
Wait, her tag says days off on Monday?
Oh, man.
It's Monday.
It's got President's Day off.
Hello. Yep. Super Dog.
Okay, Super Dog, I guess come back the next day that you can work. Have a good day off.
The next day.
Oh, Super Dog, you ready to go and find my family now? Oh, you just gonna go lay
Oh,
down
it
in a
says
different
5
spot?
days, so it's her second day. Another day later. Oh, it's my 3rd day staying home. Another day later. Oh, it's my last day. Actually, tomorrow's my last day. 1 day later. Oh, tomorrow I have to go to work. Today I have to go to work now. Let's go to work now. What? Why am I not going to work? No, just chill. Then, what? Why am I not going? My job is not letting me go. What? I'm stuck to tape. Somebody help! I'll help you. Ow, that kind of pulled off from my hair, but thank you for letting me free. Super Dog. What's going on? I still can't go. 3 minutes later. What? I'm still stuck here? 1 minute later. I can't even do this. I had enough. Ow, what just happened? I have ink all over me. There, now I can go. The ink helped.
Super Dog, you found my family. Thank you. They're here. Oh, thanks, Super Dog. Good job.
Now I'm the other guy. Now what's the other guy that goes in the army suit? What's his name again? His name is not Robin in the Robin suit. He's not. 3 minutes later. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, tomorrow I don't have work. Yay! And monsters always share.
I need a break.
Hey guys, we're gonna do a fight. A battle fight. Okay. Get towards the camera. Okay. 3, 2, 1, fight! first one, the first one their weapon down wins, okay? Yours won, you won, I won, another round. That's an everybody I won, no, Daddy won. Everybody gets one chance to win, okay? Come on, Daddy.
You win, Braylon.
Okay, the last round. Last round. And then 3, 2, 1, start last round. I have to win this one. Wait, this one didn't count. Everybody gets one chance to win. So I won. So the battle is complete. Let's see how many minutes that was. And 6 minutes and 33 and 39 seconds. Okay. You guys had a lot of turns and that's step 1.
Weird and close. Take him away now.
What are we watching? Leave your answer in the comments of what we're watching.
Look, guys, memories about me. I just want to know what the old guy really thinks of me.
Leave your answer in the comments what we're watching.